Welcome to the Sherwood Community Garden. It was established in 2017 by volunteers, and there are plots available for rent for $20 per year. Come take a look at our beautiful garden. All products that we use are totally organic and not chemical based. It's a non-profit organization. A very important part of maintaining the community garden is taking a turn at watering all the plants in the plot. Please sign up through Google Docs for your turn in watering, and you can find this faucet here in this box, and you have to connect it to this hose like so, and bring it over here to the city faucet. Adjust the water like so. This will be a good radius, and make sure when you water that you get all the plants and you really soak the garden well. And each person takes a turn and ensures that all the plots are watered well every day.